We are here with my buddy Fotis Mint. If you don't know who he is, check that description because we got a link to his Patreon and his printables account because, dude, these models, amazing. Fotis is known as one of the greats for ZBrush modelers out there for the 3D printing industry. Whether you print in resin, filament, Fotis has an entire collection that you can print and make awesome. Fotis, tell us about what you got going on here. How was your flight? You've come a long way to find yourself in Maryland.
Yes. So we fly. I'm usually my flights are like 12, 13 hours. Small flights, you know.
Yeah. Small flight.
And no, the trip it's great. This year's ERRF is amazing.
Yeah.
It's way better than last year. The whole setup, the people, everything is.
It's so much bigger than last year.
It's so much bigger, and there are a lot of people here. It's so nice.
You got some awesome models on display here too.
Yeah, as you can see, we chose to bring mostly my original work this year.
Yeah.
We made some really Charo Zuck did these amazing big resin prints he brought here.
Yeah, these are beautiful.
This is actually his design too. Right.
Really? Nice.
Yeah, he designed this and printed and painted and everything. Yeah, just showcasing my work here. All the pieces that I'm really proud that are my originals are here too. And yeah, we're just meeting people. It's a really nice experience, and I definitely think that everyone should come at least once to experience this.
You have to. These events are awesome. You get to meet awesome people like Mr. Fotis Mint here. We actually met for the first time last year at the East Coast Rep Rap Festival. It was awesome. And so I'm so excited to see you here again. Am I going to see you in the UK in December?
It's not 100% yet. I probably go to Fornex in November, probably. But for Smurf, I'm not 100% yet.
Okay.
I really want to go, but
yeah,
you know, life happens. So
dude, life always.
We never know what happens. Yeah.
Guys, seriously, check out Fotis Mint. These models are absolutely amazing. I'm excited, dude. It's great to see. It's great to see these models. I always print them small because we always got to do them fast.
Yeah, look at them big.
But huge resin, big detail. Absolutely love them. Fotis, thank you so much for bringing these out to show us. These are amazing.
Thank you for everything, man.
Yeah, man. Continuing coverage of the East Coast Rep Rap Festival coming at you. Stay tuned. Links for Fotis in the description down below. And hey, what's your favorite model that Fotis Mint has made? Let us know. Scooting over just a little bit from Fotis, we've got my buddy ClockSpring, or you know, his regular name, Sven.
It's true. That's me.
You guys know ClockSpring, and if you don't know ClockSpring, of course, links in that description down below. You make some of the most amazing models that require basically zero support.
That's the aim, and it's very kind of you to say. Printing without support is one of those things that I really do enjoy working around. Things like this. If we hold that up.
Pieces like this. Literally, you unscrew it, it prints just like this on your print bed. No assembly required, no support material at all goes together, screws in. Of course, this one will lock in at any various angle, put it all together, and there you go. This is modeling mastery, honestly.
The funny thing is that when I first created that, I never thought anyone would print this thing. When I first created it, I put it in an experiments folder and said, if you're really interested, you can have a look at it.
Yeah.
And it was a little bit messier at the time, and people were like, no, make it. I have absolutely zero ability to know what people will actually print and like, but
I have a few of these. My dad has one, and my brother has one. Amber has one as well. They're great. Everyone loves these because they just look so cool. It's not something that you can manufacture traditionally. So this is a really, really awesome way to show this kind of thing off.
And to show people, hey, I've got a 3D printer, just in case you didn't know.
Yeah, but not just small models. We've got some big vases. There's some weird echo with this.
Does this one echo as well?
I don't know.
It actually does. Look,
a little bit.
Talking to that.
Oh yeah, ClockSpring. You make some. I'm like, what did he release? Patreon, printables. Where else are you on?
Those are the two main ones.
Okay.
I put things on other repositories as well, but those are the ones that are up to date.
Some of the most fun models that you can have with your 3D printers, especially if you're just starting. That's the thing. It's tough to get started in the 3D printing industry with just learning, and eventually they get boring very quickly. You make some awesome models, including some that are like designed for testing printers to make sure they actually work well. Guys, seriously, check out ClockSpring. You are missing out if you're not getting those models. Seriously.
Thank you so
Dude,
much.
keep
and
up
that-
the
And
great
that's what
work.
this whole place is like, right? Just on a larger scale, it's just all these people being enthusiastic about, hey, look
Right,
at this.
right.
Isn't this cool?
Thank you for being a part. Thank you for coming all the way here. 14 hours? How long's your flight?
Oh, no, it was a lot more than that.
More than
It
that,
was-
jeez.
I left on Saturday morning,
Uh-huh.
arrived on Saturday evening in New York, but of the same day, but that was like 37 hours later or something silly. It was, don't go quote me on that. I'm very jet lagged
It's
right
a
now.
long time, yeah. Well, we are so glad you can make it out, and when we can see the models. You've been giving away models all day, which is awesome. Do amazing work. I'm so glad to finally meet you in real life.
Likewise.
Yeah. Guys, check out ClockSpring. Links are in that description down below. We got some more stuff here hanging out at the Filament Stories, Asylum Life, Charos, ClockSpring, Creatrix Brit, and Fotis Mint booth coming up right after this.
You're so smooth.
Moving on a little bit, we have Miss Filament Stories, Courtney, here hanging out with us. We are going to be talking all about some cool stuff that you do.
What do I do?
You're a content creator just like me, but you are normally rotated 90 degrees, right?
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
usually
You
I'm
do
up
a
and
lot of
down.
that vertical content on the old TikTok and
Yeah,
you know,
I do stuff
Instagram.
like this.
You made these?
Let's pretend I did.
Who made them?
That's a ClockSpring model, and
I know,
it was
but you
printed on
printed
a
it.
Cobra Max by Asylum Life Makes
okay.
behind us, and I am holding it.
That's a cool part.
No, it actually is. Well, no, wait, check this one out. Look at that.
It's pretty awesome.
It's a chess piece. Again, this is a vase mode chess piece printed by Asylum Life Makes, and this is a ClockSpring model, and we're hanging out here with ClockSpring and you.
It's pretty awesome.
It does not get much better than that.
This is a great event. We love it. And Courtney is amazing. If you don't know her channel, go check her out. And if you've ever thought, my significant other kind of hates 3D printing because I make a huge mess, go look at Courtney's filament closet and say, this is the dream. Courtney has one of the most amazing filament closets you've ever seen. Everything is color coordinated. Everything is properly done. I can't look at that video very often because I get
Yeah.
multicolored with envy because I want my filament racks to look the same way.
Multicolored with envy. Yep.
Multicolored. Yeah, I can't be green with envy because you have
Yeah,
more
you're
colors
right,
than green.
you're right. No,
Yeah.
I do. I Roy G. Bibbs the closet, and I do love filament. Speaking of filament, now I do love all filament, but I want to tell you that we have a bunch of content creators here, which is absolutely wonderful.
Yes.
But we have been hijacked by this filament company, and there's this filament tower. Look this way. It keeps growing. What the heck?
There's a huge
just
tower
keep-
of filament
They
over
just keep bringing filament in our booth, and I don't understand it. They won't let me have any.
there. I'll hold Nathan back if you want to run.
Okay.
All
No,
right.
wait. Let me hold Nathan back because I can't carry all that
I
filament.
can't run,
Oh shoot.
and I can't carry all that.
Ugh. If you can ever make it to the East Coast Rep Rap Festival or
Any of
them, because it's just a wonderful opportunity to hang out with people that are enjoying and love the things you like.
It is an awesome place to go to hang out with other makers just like you.
It is. It is.
If it's within a couple hour drive, it is absolutely worth it to come out. And they're coming all over the United States. There's one in California, there's two in California coming up.
Yeah.
There's one in the Rocky Mountains and right near Denver and Loveland. We've got this one here, right just north of Baltimore. So there are happening all over the area. So take a look. We'll link to some of the Rep Rap festivals in the description down below. Of course, we're going to link to Filament Stories as well. Check
Maker
her
Fairs.
out because
Yeah. No, this is.
we
fun.
got
This
to
is
see. You
fun.
got to say hi.
We're gonna say hi. Missed you. Actually, yeah, I said.
Like and subscribe to Filament Stories. You
I
guys
said,
need to do it.
You're gonna be here, aren't you? Because it's like it's
Yes,
like a
I'm here.
homecoming.
It is. It is
So,
like homecoming.
Hey, thanks, guys. It's
I
fun.
gotta see all my .comrades in meet space again.
Hey guys, I gotta go. I gotta go steal some filament. Here, you take that.
Now I'm in stereo. Thanks to Filament Stories for that one, guys. Hope you enjoyed this booth. This booth is packed with a ton of fun. A lot of awesome. Guys, take a look at all these awesome creators in that description down below. Hope you guys are enjoying all this content. Big thank you to all of our channel supporters who make this kind of travel possible. Remember, for as little as $1 a month, you can support the efforts that we do here to bring you son of a For as little as $1 a month, you can support us in the efforts that we do in that description down below. So get down there, support us if you do feel so inclined. If not, hey, leave a like and subscribe because that costs you nothing and helps us out a ton. Stay safe out there. Don't forget to call your loved ones. And as always, keep making awesome. East Coast Rap Festival. Let's go. Have a good one. So
I'm Filament Stories, and this is Grant of 3D Musketeers,
yeah,
and he's
if
going
you
to
thought
ask
you could
me
keep
some
Courtney
questions.
all the way up, you're out of your mind.
What?
So anything that we want to show, we have to pick up and show.
What if it's a person? I don't have a person in mind, but
Okay, well,
yeah, a small person.
live with your legs, not your back.
That's a great answer.
Yeah,
Oh,
someone that hurt their
okay.
back.
This is B-roll stuff. This is like the
yeah, we're just messing around.
outro kind of stuff.
You
yeah.
rolling?
Yeah.
All right.